push me. I cannot jump the distance, you'll have to trust me.
One, two, three. Yeah. Gonna touch it? Oh, you're gonna step in it, huh?
Here, I won't move at all, even if it's gonna hit me in the face. Ooh, try again. Ah, so close. I'd prefer to not get hit in the face. Just saying. Oh, got me. Ooh. There you go.
Woohoo!
That's fun. Of course. Look at that airplane.
That's not an airplane, that's a bird.
Oh.
Oh! You
Look
goof.
at it stinging.
It doesn't have a stinger.
What if it lands on us, then it poops on us, then the poop stings us?
Stains us?
No, stings us.
Stings us?
Yeah.
Stinging poop?
Yeah.
That sounds horrible. I don't want to get pooped on by any bird, really, but stinging poop is definitely much worse, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That bird is called a cawfoot charcho bird.
Oh.
And they make this weird sound that I can actually make.
Uh-huh.
Something like that.
Oh, why do they make that sound? What is that sound?
It's when they see like
So why do they make
when
it?
they're frightened.
Oh, so when they're scared
Yeah.
of a grizzly bear, they make that noise?
No, when they're scared of anything.
Oh.
Like a dinosaur.
Oh, really? Are you my snack, baby?
Huh. Nah.
What's this?
Mom!
Oh! That's gotta be cold. Oh! We went sledding in 80-degree weather without a sled.
She's so pumped. She's covering her eyes. Andy, was that so awesome? She covered her eyes the whole time.
Did she?
Yes.
Dad,
Yeah?
let's go find the biggest slide.
A booger slide or a bigger slide?
A biggest slide.
Oh, okay. I couldn't tell. With actions speak louder than words, buddy. All right, let's go see what we can find.
Here they come. That was so funny, huh?
Okay, Andy. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Oh, man. Okay, wait. Oh, there you go. Feet. I wasn't following you like I should have because I was worried you were gonna hit that rock. How did that go? You stained the snow blue all the way down.
I went? Oh, I did! Wait, where did Jordan go? Oh, there he is.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Get on up. It's bobsled time.
Oh my god. Oh. Can you sing me a song? While you...
the beach.
Oh, you're singing that song?
Okay, go ahead. Sing it.
So beautiful.
Nice, Andy. Good song.